Welcome to Office Chalao video training course. Office Chalao is a self-explanatory and support-free CRM and task management software. This is the first video explaining chapter number 1 covering the dashboard of the software and company management. In this chapter, various components visible on the dashboard are covered. Similarly, modifying and editing the personal data and the local data of the user of the software is explained.
In which you want to open the software. In the address bar of the browser, type the URL www.officechalao.com and press enter. This is the website of Office Chalao. Scroll down on the website to find the demo links of the software in the given section. Click on the demo link of Global Demo. Press on Proceed to Login button. Enter the username as admin with capital A and password as admin in small letters. You have now logged in as admin into the system. Company logo is present here. Today's date and day is displayed here. On the left hand side, following menus are visible to the admin: dashboard, company management, employee management, task management, products management, lead management, report management, Portal data, general help for CSV upload and backup are the various menus. The name of the company using the software is displayed here. System greets the employee whenever the employee logs into the system. The provision for changing the color themes is also available here in this menu in the software, where the user can select a theme from 5 color options according to his or her choice. In this menu, the name, email, profile picture, number and the employee code of the employee is displayed. As we claim that our software is self-explanatory and support-free, in the Support Center menu, a complete user manual in English as well as in Hindi is available for download. This is English user manual consisting of 41 pages explaining each and every section available in the software. While on the right hand side, in case of emergency issues like software not responding due to server issues, technical problems, etc., contact details of our company are given. This is the Edit Employee Profile menu, where the user can edit his or her profile. And from here, the user can log out of the system. Here, the various tabs are displayed, where the admin can get the count of active, inactive, total employees, new, active, completed projects, new, active, pending tasks, new, active, converted leads on the dashboard itself. The list of today's follow-ups and meetings is displayed here. The pending tasks are enlisted here. The admin can also view all the tasks by pressing the View Task button. In this table, the details of the employees are enlisted, which makes it easier for the admin to check the availability of a particular employee. That includes the attendance, contact details, user role, designation and profile picture. Office Chalao is a bilingual software which provides help in English as well as in Hindi. Here is the help for admin. This is the English as well as Hindi help for the employee. Now switching to the company management tab, which is available to admin only. Here you can enter the name of your company. Here for explaining, we have entered ABC Softwares in the company name tab. In the company logo tab, you can select your logo image by browsing the image from your computer with maximum height of 200 pixels. Click on open. You can also fill the other information related to the company like company details, address of the company, bank details, etc., which is not mandatory, and then click on Save Changes. Here we can see the company name has been changed from Office Chalao to ABC Softwares. The changed logo will be visible here.